Alright, Osborns, we're back with Jake, and this is his little friend from the kennel, so we're going to work on the off-leash recall. I can't stress that enough, and, you know, I don't want you to worry about the biting, but he does bite at us. He bites at Crystal's clothes, and then yesterday for the treats, he was biting my hand. Oh, good Lord. You know, but you see how he kind of bites at this other dog. They've got to learn the difference. You know, that's how they play with other dogs. But he's got to learn that we're not another dog. So, anyway, this is his little friend. So we're going to work on the off-leash recall. And I'm sure you saw the other day, I was able to use that pager to bend him and make him come back in my direction. Pretzel is actually deaf. So she's also trained with the pagers that when she feels it, because that's the only recourse we have with her. So really the basis for all of the training is the off-leash recall. If we can't make them come to us without the leash, they are always going to have the upper hand. Yay! Good boy. Oh, spun right around. Oh, he's got some sharp teeth, though. Jake! I don't know how Pretzel is coming back when I call Jake. She's supposed to be deaf. I find out she's not really deaf. That's why we adopted her. They asked me to adopt her because she was deaf. Jake! That was a perfect example. I spun him right around. What, his teeth are so sharp. I've never seen a puppy with such sharp teeth. Have you? Pretzel's gonna probably try to go down that path. If she doesn't, I'll be surprised. Jake! There goes Pretzel. So with that one, I just hit the pager. Oh, let's go back this way. The sun went away. Jake! Saw what happened. He immediately turned. Got my pager. shouldn't have given it to her when she was pregnant. Anyway, he needs to learn better social skills around other dogs, though. And he's got to learn that he can't just treat us like another dog and bite and do all these things. Jake! Jake! Good. I'm over here. Shot her back in my direction. Oh, Jake's a little follower though. You know, and they've got to have dog friends and stuff when they're, you know, or they never learn social skills, and you can never really be a good companion for people if they don't know how to act around other dogs. See how they stay right with us. And you know, with this one being deaf, you know, if we weren't able to get her to come back, you'd never be able to let her loose. All right, come on, now let's go on that little swill over there. Good boy. Good boy. You know, so for right now, we don't want to sit or anything. I just need him to turn and come back this way. And this pager allows you to do this over and over and over again. Go down in that little swill for some reason. Jake! Oh, good. Ouch! Brutal. Brutal! These teeth are so sharp. And what happened there was I did accidentally hit the pager on Pretzel. And I've got my nicks set on 0 with these dogs, so you know, if you did accidentally hit the pager on one or the other, it doesn't matter. It's gonna happen. Look, I'm bleeding now from this. Jake! So basically, I've been able to get him, Jake, to come to me time and time and time and time again successfully. So now that behavior is going to become a part of them. Jake! I guess I'm gonna go give him a drink of water. See ya.